Starting out on your fitness journey, or perhaps you've been in it a while but you got a bit lost and you're not sure where you are with it and how you're getting on and stuff like that, other than perhaps taking your weight. If there was something that could help you track what you're doing and make sure that you're on the right track, wouldn't that be useful? Hi, my name's Jan Moss, and if you're enjoying my videos, please make sure you like and subscribe so that you won't miss any future videos. So a lot of people will have already heard a Fitbit or a fitness tracker. This is mine. I've got a different colour strap on it, and it's absolutely knackered, to use an English version word. If you're not familiar with it, it's like I've cracked the glass and everything, but I've had it for years and it's still working. So if you're not familiar with it, what does it do? Well, it tracks all sorts of things. So it connects to your phone on an app, and you can track your heart rate, your sleep, your activity during the day, how many steps you're doing, how many miles you've done, and also your heart rate. And you can also record in it what calories you're using and the amount of water you're having. So it's a really, really useful way to make sure that you're on track, and you can record your weight as well, and you can just see as a visual representation of where you're at. And if you're doing exercise, you can also record that as well. So if you're doing spinning or bike riding or whatever it is that you're doing. So I'd highly recommend getting some sort of tracker. It doesn't have to be a Fitbit. It could be a different version. Just look at the reviews and see what's a good one. Let's get lots of good reviews and try that. Alongside my trusty Fitbit, of course, I also try and eat healthily, and I have a variety of supplements that I use. So if you wanted to know any more about that, I'll be doing other videos on it, or just drop me a message and I can let you know a bit more about that too. Thanks for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.